Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. For our second stop in Davao, we went to Jack Ridge. Overlooking po ito ng Davao City. And it's actually iba't ibang klase ng restaurants. May coffee shops, may parang bigatin restaurants. Bale, dito po kami nag-spend ng aking dinner for my birthday. Tsaka since hindi pa ready yung table namin, so nag-ikot-ikot muna kami. Tapos hanggang sa nakakuha na kami ng spot, which is the best kasi talagang overlooking siya. Tapos ito yung mga food ng mga in-orders namin. Medyo kamahalan siya guys, pero worth it naman actually. It's a nice experience to be here at the top of Davao.